Hello everyone, welcome to W.TEC's MakeHER Space. My name is Nifesimi and here with me is
Montserrat.
On today's tutorial, we're going to be creating a rechargeable power bank.
So basically, power banks are used to charge battery-powered devices like mobile phones and other similar devices that have USB interface.
For this tutorial, we're going to be needing some components. The first thing we're going to be using is our charging module, 3-volt lithium battery, double-sided tape, jumper wires, lead, and a plastic for packaging.
So the first thing we are going to do is we'll get the 3 batteries, we'll arrange positive on one side and negative on the other side. How do you know the positive side? It is usually written on the battery where we have positive and negative. So you arrange the positive on one side, facing one side, and the negative should also face the other side. So the next step is to peel the wire using the soldering iron. Since it is going to be going across parallel, so we are going to do it for the 3 batteries. We are going to be doing it for the positive and for the negative. So we solder using the lead. So we are going to be repeating the same step for the negative part of the battery.
When we're done connecting all our jumper wires to the positive and the negative side, you take our charging module. This charging module comes with 2 USB ports, in and out. So you have the B positive and we have the B negative here. You take the jumper wire that connects all positive sides and you connect it to the B positive of the charging module. So you're going to be peeling the jumper wire again with your soldering iron. Connect the positive wire to your B positive in your charging module. You make sure you solder it with your soldering iron and the lead. We are done connecting jumper wires from the positive side to the B positive on your charging module. We do the same thing to the negative.
So the next step is to package our power bank. So we are going to be putting the battery and the charging module into the power bank package. You gently move the battery into the power bank package. We are going to use our double-sided tape . We are doing it so that it can stick very well on the power bank package. After that, we are going to ensure that the wires are properly arranged inside the power bank package, so we don't have any form of disconnection when we want to use our power bank. We are going to be using our soldering iron to cut this part of the power bank package so that the USB interface can be accessible. Now we are done, the power bank is ready.
It's time to test our power bank using a USB cord and an Android phone. It's charging now, as you can see. That's very good. I remember I called it a rechargeable power bank, so the power bank can also be charged. Now let's do that. In our charging module, you can see 2 outputs and a charging port right in the middle. You can see the power bank is also charging. We have come to the end of our tutorial. Thank you all for watching. I'm Nifesimi.
Monserrat.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.